just finished up teacher training. I'll talk a bit about that tomorrow. And yeah, journaling and then going to sleep. It's pretty late and want to get 8 hours of sleep. So, see you tomorrow. What's up? Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video vlog, I guess, than usual. I have teacher training all weekend. I'll explain what that is. So I figured do something a little bit different. I'm also doing a effective speech. And right now, I don't know if you can hear the computer fan in the background, but the AI code is running. Teacher training, what is it? So back in October, I started training to become a yoga teacher. You know, I'm on my gap year off, so it's a weekend, like per month, like the whole weekend, essentially virtually, of course. I'm learning to become, training to become a yoga teacher, like fully licensed and everything like that. And it'll just be like useful for me next year, years after Harvard, just to, I guess, like de-stress, things like that. Like it's really good meditation, and it's also pretty good exercise, I would say. A lot of the yoga sets, kriyas as they're called, are pretty strenuous. Like they involve a lot of exercise. Today I taught a bit of a class, and tomorrow I'm going to be teaching a bit of a class again, just, you know, getting certified, things like that. So recently, like I guess over the past couple of days, right, I was working on the training the AI model, and what was happening was the model was overfitting for the training data, which means like all the data that it was like learning off of, it was like memorizing the patterns in that data and stuff like that, so that it was able to predict really accurately with like low loss, like the categories for emotions, like angry, happy, whatever, for those. But then as soon as you gave it new data in the validation or in testing, it wouldn't be able to actually like properly categorize. So it went from like 99% in the training to like 11% in the validation set, which is pretty horrible. So yeah, I got, well, the friend I'm working with sent me like a research paper on dropout, you know, so I put that in there. I put a dropout layer, but that didn't really help either. So what happened with that was like either both the test, like the training and the validation data were getting like around like 11 to 12% accuracy, which is once again horrible, or it was like 70% and like 15, so a little bit better-ish, but not what we're looking for. We want at least, like I want at least 80% accuracy in this part, so like overall we can get like above 90% in real time using both like the voice and the facial expression. I tried to look for the root cause, right, of what was actually like happening, what was causing this, and I came up with like two options. So one, it's like there's not enough data, which doesn't really make sense, but the second one was like there's not enough variety of data. So far I only had to put like 2 actors from the RavDesk dataset in here, and like one actor was male, one actor was female, and they had like the different emotions. But then I'm thinking that maybe the neural network wasn't picking up on the like facial features, so like smiling or angry, whatever, but more on the actual like person's face or something. I don't really know. I mean, it's kind of a black box anyway. So I downloaded like another 6 actors, and that should give a little bit more like variety within the data set, I'm hoping. But I also cut down the, like what I'm doing is I'm taking the video, splitting it up frame by frame, right, into images. So instead of doing it frame by frame, I did it every 10th frame, which is every like 0.3 to 0.4 seconds. So that way I get less images, but I get more variety within the images. So I'll see how that goes, and if it does work, great, I go to sleep. If it doesn't work, still going to sleep, just have to journal. Quick update before I finish off the vlog here. I decided to, instead of using like transfer learning, using a pre-trained AI model and then using different layers, I decided to make like a CNN from scratch. So it's gonna take like way longer. I thought like per like training cycle, before it took like 30 seconds, which I thought was long, it's like 100 training cycles. Now it's saying like an hour and a half. So yeah, I can show you here to see what it looks like. It's saying 53 minutes, and yet this accuracy is like better than normal. So, and it just keeps going up. But if you look here, like this is the model, so it's much more detailed than just having like this is like what it was before, these 4 layers, versus now I had to do it from scratch, and a lot longer. So we'll see how it goes. I am wrapping up the vlog here, so see you in the next one.